How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm installing a carbon spoon spoiler on my Honda Civic EG. So I'm by myself today, no cameraman, so I'm going to give it my best shot. It's a genuine carbon spoon spoiler. It looks so much better than the standard one. So I'll show you what the standard one looks like now, and then I'll install this and we'll see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like now. This is the standard spoiler. Yeah, that's the standard spoiler. Right guys, so the first thing you have to do is remove these two bolts and these two. You'll need a 10mm to remove them. So I'll go get my 10mm and I'll start removing it. One thing I forgot to say was you have to remove this. This is where the windscreen washer comes out of. So you're just going to disconnect it so it's not obviously go into the spoiler. The spoiler's now off. Just going to remove this. If you can see, I'm pretty sure you just push it out. So get a screwdriver. So that's the spoiler off now. Right, next you put the spoiler on and you put all the bolts in. So you put 2 in there and 2 in there. I've already put 1 in. I'm going to put the other 3 in and we'll see what it looks like. So yeah, I'll join you once they're in. Right, the spoiler's now on. Look at it. It looks so different. That looks so different. The old one used to sit about here. Never than that. This one flicks up as well. Yeah, that looks so much better. And it's genuine carbon as well. That's the plus side of it. Let me just get the standard one. Let's compare them. Look at that difference. If you're not into cars, you probably think it looks the same, but this one is basically this, but with the flick on top. Right guys, so the spoiler is on the car. It looks so much better, so much better. I'll put some before and after pictures so you can see the difference, because when you look at the two together, you can't really tell the difference unless you're a car guy, you know about these. So yeah, so it's genuine carbon. If you're not seen already, genuine carbon. Guy in Leeds had them. It was not the cheapest spoiler, but it changes the whole look of the car. I've got a few more bits coming for this car, so stay tuned and I shall see you guys in the next one.